If you're filming in XAVC intra-frame, that will give you about 30 minutes of footage per card. Short story, intra-frame means every single frame the camera is filming every single pixel. There's then XAVC-L or long GOP, and the long GOP is pretty cool because what it does, it's intelligent. It takes every single pixel in the first frame, but then only records the ones that change in the subsequent frames, which is great for saving file size. So XAVC-I, it's 30 minutes on the 128 gig card. XAVC-L gives you 100 minutes though. So big difference. If you're going to use the L, then you need to have an editing program that can handle that, because basically what it will then need to do is, let's say you jump 5 minutes forward into your footage, it needs to be able to search back through all of the previous frames to find all of the pixels. So it takes a lot more processing power. So that's just a freebie.